Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Cadillac CTS Performance Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9909XX. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Phantom gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, rear outboard seats are also heated. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net. Perfect for keeping smaller items secure and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized moonroof. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for when the automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. Full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. Navigation. Dual front temperature control, along with separate rear heat and air to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is of course where the backup camera display is, with bird's eye view. Hard keys below for the things used most often, along with heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep it comfortable no matter what time of year. That automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this CTS is a 3.6 liter V6, 335 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a larger all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this CTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.